Hey everyone, Joe back with Gorilla Joe's BBQ, and today we're cooking steaks. I know what you're thinking, Gorilla, you already have like 4 or 5 steak videos on your channel. Why would you do steaks again? Well, from the thumbnail, you can probably guess it's a little different because I'm cooking steaks for Jeremy Yoder of Mad Scientist BBQ. I mean, technically he's not gonna be eating these steaks, but I am a member of his Patreon, and every month he does a giveaway, and this month is for a birch barrel. I've been watching Mad Scientist for years. It's one of the reasons I started making YouTube videos. In fact, his 12 brisket mistakes video was the main one that I always look back on when I was trying to make my briskets. And for this giveaway, you have to upload a picture of a steak. And I've done a lot of steaks. I was like, I can upload a picture of steak. I mean, I got all these great steak pictures. But he said you can only upload one picture. And I really wanted to have a steak that looks awesome done and show the inside of how well it was cooked. So for that reason, I bought 2 Tomahawks. And I am super thrilled. These are prime Tomahawks. Got these from Costco. So I'm gonna season these guys up, throw them on the smoker. I got the Chargriller going up at 225 degrees with some pecan wood. Once they get up to about 120 degrees on the inside, I'm gonna take them out, throw them on the Weber, get some great grill marks, get these things cooked up nice, get some good pictures, and hopefully I can win this contest. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. Alright guys, this is going to be really simple. All I'm going to do, paper towel, make sure this is all pat dry. And then I'm going to be using some hardcore Carnivore black. I really like the flavor of this, but the main reason is it gives a great sear. So that's what I really want for this video. I want some great picture quality steaks. I know they're going to taste awesome. So we're just gonna go for what's gonna look the best. I'm laying this on thick. Get all those edges, roll it around. That's good. Just like that, they're ready to go. We're gonna throw these on the smoker. And to make this super easy, I'm gonna use my meat stick. I'm just gonna put this in the big one, set it to go off at about 120 degrees. And then when it's about 100 degrees, I'm gonna get my charcoal grill going. And then we'll pull these guys off at 120, let them rest a little, throw it on there, get a great sear, cut it up. It's gonna be awesome. Let's get it out on the smoker. All right guys, got the smoker up to 225 degrees. Got my seasoned Tomahawks. We're gonna throw them on here. When it gets up to about 120, I'm gonna pull them off, let them rest, and I'm gonna throw them on the Weber kettle to get a nice sear on them. We'll come back in a little bit. All right guys, it's been 1 hour. I'm gonna go ahead and get this probed. Show about 120 on the thinner one, about 120 on both of them. So what I'm gonna do is get these pulled off. We're gonna rest them a little bit on this tray, get the charcoal up and fired up, and we'll get a real nice sear on them. All right guys, I got the charcoal up and going in the Weber. Really hot in here. Got my steaks. I'm gonna drop the first one on, get it seared, and what I like to do is put the first one on, let all those juices drop in, gonna light that fire up even more, and then my second one, which is gonna become my presentation one, put that one on last, and that fire is really gonna be flame kissing it. So let's get into it. Our beautiful Tomahawk. Turner. All right, trying to get this guy going. All right, we're gonna take these inside, let them rest. All right, guys, they've rested. Let's take a look. Ooh. Like I said, this is not burnt. This is the coloring of that seasoning I picked. It does an awesome job. Let's look at that. Now I gotta decide which one I'm gonna cut into first. All right. We're gonna take this, cut right along this bone. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Ooh. That is beautiful. Now we gotta get some pictures and then it's time to eat. All right, guys, you already know this is gonna taste fantastic. Do I even have to taste test it? Perfect. Oh, it's so good. Everyone knows the best bite though? Right off the bone. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it out to some friends, and hopefully Jeremy will see this video, and hopefully it might win me a birch barrel, because that would be an awesome addition to my kitchen. I can see some great cooks come up for that. So thanks again for watching, everyone. Have a good one.